Hello mga kabibig! Welcome back sa ating bagong YouTube channel. Ito ang pinakamaingay na YouTuber sa balat ng YouTube. Ako si Kabibig, maglabag-labag na tao with evidence. So eto na, the 21st Davao City Council unanimously, lahat ay sumang-ayon, approve a resolution ngayong araw na to at sanggoinang panlungsod condemning comedian Vice Ganda's statements mocking for the former President Rodrigo Duterte. The resolution proposed by Councilor Danilo Dayanghirang came after numerous requests to declare Vice Ganda as persona non grata. Dayanghirang said they felt that condemning the statement carried the same weight. He also noted that fellow councilors recommended amendments to the resolution. The controversy stems from a viral video in which Vice Ganda cracked a joke referencing the former president, the West Philippine Sea, and the International Criminal Court, sparking mixed reactions from the netizens, mga kabibig. Nako, heto kabibig ha, panoorin natin itong nangyari kanina sa Davao City Council at talagang gusto nilang i-condemn si Vice Ganda. Ang tanong, mangyayari kaya ang persona non grata or paparusahan si Vice Ganda? Nako, excited ang mga netizens kung ano ang posibleng mangyayari kay Vice Ganda. Yung ring light ko gusto yatang mag-react din sa nangyari kay Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte. So ito na, panoorin natin ang video at intindihin natin kung ano ang laman ng resolution at ano kaya ang posibleng maging parusa kung paparusahan si Vice Ganda. Ito na, kabibig.
I rise today, Mr. President, on the matter of personal and collective privilege to express strong condemnation of the recent action of comedian Jose Marie Visceral, popularly known as Vice Ganda, who is in a public performance made critical and derogatory remarks, mocking our very own former President Rodrigo Duterte.
Nako.
Former President Duterte is not merely a national leader, Mr. President.
Ito na. Ano kaya ang maging parusa ni Vice Ganda, no?
We notice, Mr. President, that a lot of residents of Davao is even requesting for the council to pass a resolution.
Oo, resolution na.
Condemning or declaring him as persona non grata.
Oo.
In fact, there was one post there said, Councilor Pitlain, Councilor Dayanghirang, will pick the pass or suggest the pass a persona non grata.
Oo. May nag-suggest na mag-committee ng persona non grata.
Not only that, Mr. President, a lot of people are saying, are we going to allow it? Just kaya naman. Because some also are looking at possible issue of diverting the issue of the present national issues involving a lot of problem of governance. So, but nevertheless, Mr. President, I believe that it is proper for us to pass a resolution condemning the statement made by...
Iko-condemn nila ang statement ni Vice.
So I just want to read the resolution, Mr. President. The resolution condemning the statement of comedian Jose Marie Visceral, also known as Vice Ganda, for mocking former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte, thereby disrespecting the former president. Whereas the city government of Davao upholds the values of respect, courtesy, and the preservation of dignity towards all individuals, particularly public officials who serve the nation with distinction. And I recall, Mr. President, when Vice Ganda interviewed the president. Former President Rudy is very respectful in the television. He's already the president then. I'm not sure, but maybe running or he is still a candidate. But looking at the recently question and answer with the president, with Mr. Vice Ganda, very polite si President. Ayaw si Presidente Duterte.
Oo.
He will not
Tama. President Duterte is very polite to Vice Ganda. 'Di ba? Kung meron mang kasalanan si Pangulong Duterte sa paniniwala ni Vice Ganda, yung pagsara ng kanilang network. Pero may hearing naman nun, 'di ba? Na pag-alaman nga na maraming netizen ang mga kabalastugan ng ABS-CBN.
allow people to what they call this, to condemn ang third sex here in the city of Davao. That is what the president is very respectful to me, and I was surprised why he did it to the president. Former President Duterte had proud Davaoenos look honor and recognition to the city of Davao through his decades of service as mayor and as the 16th President of the Republic of the Philippines. Dili lang Davao, Tugok Pilipinas yun siya, Mr. President. And I think not only that, senior citizen na po, 80 years old, on how he was apprehended, accosted, kidnapped. It's very painful, Mr. President. It cannot be easily socially accepted by a peace-loving Filipinos. The person is already in pain. Why you have to do it publicly? Whereas in recent public performance, Vice Ganda made derogatory remarks backing President Richard that were perceived as an insult not only to the former president but also to the people of Davao who holds
Correct.
in high esteem. So, dili lang si President and Mr. President, party both Davao at
All people of Davao. Correct.
Yes, deliberate result. Not only for Davao, Mr. President. During his sixth administration, the survey went up. The popularity of the former president is very high. In fact, until now, Mr. President, listening the commentaries in radio and TV, people has a high regards to the president, especially in this flooding. While freedom of expression, Mr. President, is a protected constitutional right, such right must be exercised with responsibility.
Correct. Responsible ka.
Like as Mr. President, we are elected, but we have limitation also. Avoiding statements or acts that demean individual, promote disrespect, or encourage divisiveness. So this will not help the country around. You're dividing the people, the pro and the anti, whatever the case, which should not been the case. Because personalities in the television must live in a standard of unity, respect, so that it can be emulated by ordinary people, Mr. President. While the Sangguniang Pangunsod Davao City finds proper to take a formal stand in protecting the dignity of its people and leaders against acts that offend the cultural values and moral sensibilities of the community. Now, therefore, be it resolved as it is hereby resolved to approve a resolution condemning the statement of comedian Jose Marie Visceral, also known as Vice Ganda, for mocking former President Rodrigo Duterte, thereby disrespecting the former president. So, the main title is, Your Honor, is condemning the statement, the derogatory statement, disrespectful statement of Ms. Vice Ganda. As a matter of record, Mr. President of the City of Davao, I will just add here, Mr. President, President Duterte is already 80 years old. He has not done let's not even proven yet that any crime.
Correct.
When public due process is outside of the country.
Correct.
So it's really painful on the part of the person. He cannot defend himself because he is inside. Now, we again, Mr. President, as a sovereign country elected by the people of Davao to represent the sentiments of the Davaoinos. So therefore, Mr. President, I move to pass this resolution condemning the statement of Vice Ganda. I so move, Mr. President. Motion for the approval of the resolution.
So yun, kabibigyan natin ang kanilang resolution na i-condemn ang kawalang hiyaan ni Vice Ganda, ang kanyang statements kay Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Nag-propose sila ang Davao City did not push through with a persona non grata resolution proposed by Councilor Danilo de Anhirang against comedian Vice Ganda over his joke on former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte during the recent concert with Regine. Instead, the council passed a resolution condemning Vice Ganda's joke, saying this carries the same weight of criticizing her joke over the former president. So, yun mga kabibig, hintay-hintay pa tayo kung ano pa ang mga latest updates nito para hindi matatapos, kung paparasahan ba si Vice Ganda or pagmumultahin si Vice Ganda or hihingi sila ng public apology coming from Vice Ganda. I don't know kung pumasok si Vice Ganda sa araw na ito kasi kahapon nag-absent si Vice Ganda sa H-Showtime, baka nagpahinga. Baka sobrang success sa kanyang concert ay kailangan din yung mamahinga. Yun lang kabibig ang ating latest lebak-lebak for the day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video para sa mga latest trending news na ating pag-usap-usapan. Yan po mga kabibig ha. Hindi na persona non grata si Vice Ganda pero kinundim nila ang ginawang kabastusan ni Vice Ganda. Hintay pa tayo kung ano pang may hihingiin ba ang Davao City Council ni Vice Ganda. Yun ang kabibig. Bye everyone. See you next time.